Hello and welcome to today's tutorials. Today we are going to discuss and apply and understand about the Bootstrap containers. As you can see my screen, I've just got to the Bootstrap website and I've searched the Bootstrap containers. For those who might be wondering how I get in here, this is Bootstrap version 5.1, and when you go to the Google search, you search anything, you get exactly that. For example, you get let's search for the other type of Bootstrap element like cards. You see the cards has come, you click on cards and you wait a bit. Yeah, the cards, they are filed themselves. Now that is how we get these things from Bootstrap and then we incorporate them into our website. For example, when you hand over to Google, just search for the bootstrap.com and the latest version will come up. Now today let's go to our project and incorporate the Bootstrap container into the our our our, our project container. Bootstrap containers. Yeah, back to Bootstrap containers. You can come here and copy any of these, incorporate them into your website. But I did not copy this because this is a bit basics. For those who are just basic, they can learn the documentary and they get it more. Now let's go to our website, not to our website but a project. This is what we are going to do. Let's go and get into the navbar. Yeah, we want this navbar to be enclosed within the Bootstrap container. When you look at it, it's having the section which is a navigation title, and as I told you last time, I warned and I love commenting my work to make it easier for the programmers and for me to able to identify what is going on and where the particular section is talking about. For example, we have title, and title is about all what is going to be held in navigation bar, and also the title links, and even the car user. Now let's see the live website, how it look like before we incorporate the Bootstrap container. Let's make Control C to exit the, yeah, and I run Python manage .py run server. All right, Python manage.py run server. Hit enter, and let's navigate to our website. Yeah, you can see it's not very very good. It's taking all the wins viewport, but we don't like that. We want it to be having some container. Even if you look at the styling the styling is not so impressive. So let's first of all, let's deal with the navigation bar and the nav links. Navigation bar, you can see, is the language USDD, USD, and then there is email and there is colors. Then the links, we have all categories: store, search, sign in and register, and we have the cart where you can buy something. Now let's get started. Okay, the thing that we should do is to come just below the title and say container, and say diff. We create a diff. Then the diff, we call it a class. I think you people, you know all these things. This course is not for very basics, because some things you have to go basic and then come back if you are not aware about some of these things. We have class, and this class is container fluid. Container fluid is that one take the whole viewport, but the container without fluid takes some section about 75% viewport. That's only the difference, but I want it to be full. That's why I'm using the container fluid. Now let's go down and look at where this section ends, and it's ending here. So we get the end. We end our div, and therefore let me comment, because I want my thing to be understood. And this is container, this is container fluid, then end of container fluid. And I can comment it like this. Yeah, it is going so far. Let me cut and comment it exactly there. Nice, good. This spelling mistake, container. Well, let me click a Control Alt L, and then my niece is factorized. Now that's all. That's all. Let's check whether it is coming on well. Look the difference. Let me refresh. Yeah, you can see. You can see only thing that is remaining now is to style. And that is coming in part 2.